Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up the upload of new contacts from Zoho CRM to the Google Sheets. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Zoho to other systems. For example, in Google Sheets you can add new lines, conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next you need to select the Zoho CRM data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. Next you need to connect your Zoho CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window we need to specify the username and password of the Zoho personal account. You also need to grant ApiX-Drive permission to work with your Zoho account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see data for one of your contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Zoho CRM data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Choose Google Sheets as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Add row. At this stage you need to connect your Google Sheets account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the username and password of your personal Google account. At this stage, be sure to check all the checkboxes for access. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you need to specify the file and sheet for which new lines will be created with each new contact from Zoho CRM. If you have the name of the columns in the first row of the table, then it will be pulled up in brackets opposite each of them. Now you can assign variables from Zoho CRM to columns. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of an email that will be sent to Google Sheets as new lines with each new contact from Zoho CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Google Sheets. After successful submission, go to Google Sheets and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setup for receiving Google Sheets data successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.